Inside Little Star's daycare, children gather for snack time, their laughter filling the brightly colored room. Miss Cruz, a teacher with a gentle smile, places plates of vibrant snacks on each table. Carrot sticks, apple slices, and broccoli florets create a rainbow of healthy choices. Among the eager faces, young Leo sits with a furrowed brow, a storm of indecision brewing. His tiny finger pushes a piece of broccoli away, a silent protest against the green invader. The colorful snacks sit untouched before him, a battlefield of taste and preference. Close on, Leo's plate features a lonely piece of broccoli, a verdant island on white ceramic. The broccoli sits isolated, unwanted, a stark symbol of unspoken resistance. Miss Cruz watches from across the table, her expression soft with concern. A gentle worry etches itself onto her face as she observes Leo's untouched plate. The silence in the dining room amplifies the unspoken tension between them. The verdant broccoli remains a small but significant battlefield on the plate. Miss Cruz kneels beside Leo, her eyes twinkling with warmth and a hint of mischief, suggesting a playful secret. She gestures encouragingly towards a piece of broccoli, a tiny world of green awaiting adventure. Oh no, it looks like our little broccoli friend needs some encouragement, Miss Cruz exclaims, her voice gentle. Let's go visit where he grew up, she adds, promising a journey to the broccoli's origins. Miss Cruz gathers the children on the brightly colored rug, their eyes wide with anticipation. She playfully sprinkles imaginary fairy dust, a mischievous wink dancing across her face. The room begins to shimmer, light dancing on the walls. A voice narrates. Unseen, giggles erupt as the children cry out, "Wee!" their laughter filling the vibrant room. Imagination transforms the daycare into a realm of wonder, joy radiating from every small face. The miniaturized children enter a vibrant garden, overwhelmed by the colossal scale of the vegetables towering above. Sunlight dapples through giant leaves, illuminating a world transformed into a land of green giants. Each vegetable bursts with color, an animated spectacle of nature's bounty magnified beyond imagination. Tiny hands reach out to touch the massive forms of tomatoes and cabbages, their faces filled with awe. The air hums with the sounds of buzzing insects and rustling leaves, amplified in this miniature world. A vibrant, oversized garden becomes their playground, brimming with adventure and unseen wonders. In a sun-drenched garden, Broccoli Bob, a cheerful floret with a tiny hat, bursts into song. "Eat your broccoli, it's good for you, it makes you strong and healthy too," he sings, his voice surprisingly resonant. Carrot Carl emerges, beaming to chime in. "Carrots for your eyes, so bright and clear." Tomato Tim joins the chorus. "Tomatoes red, a juicy treat, vitamins galore from head to feet." The garden patch vibrates with joy as the vegetable choir celebrates healthy eating. Amidst a vibrant green field, Carrot Carl, a slender carrot with glasses, stands tall among his brethren. He gestures with leafy enthusiasm, sharing the secrets of carrots for eyesight. A small group of children gathers, their eyes wide with curiosity, drawn in by Carl's lively presentation. Carl begins a counting game, showcasing the myriad shades of orange that paint the carrot patch. Sunlight bathes the scene, highlighting the rich colors and the joyous interaction between Carl and the children. Under the warmth of the sun, a tomato vine bursts with ripe fruit, a vibrant testament to nature's bounty. Tomato Tim, round and jovial, stands proudly, his leafy arm gesturing with contagious enthusiasm. Hello everyone! Did you know tomatoes are fantastic for your heart? They keep you strong and healthy. Tomato Tim's cheerful voice rings out, inviting all to play. Now let's play a game. Who can spot the reddest thing in the garden? Under the sun, a rainbow graces a garden bursting with life. Colors dance and shimmer. With a warm smile, Miss Cruz gestures towards the vibrant arc, inviting wonder and excitement. This is the Rainbow Feast, Miss Cruz says, her voice filled with passion. Our mission is to collect vegetables of every color, she proclaims, setting forth on a colorful quest. Under a sunlit sky, a vast field blooms with purple cabbages. Children stumble upon the scene, their eyes widening in disbelief. A particularly large cabbage emanates an aura of ancient wisdom. Its wrinkled leaves hint at the secrets it holds within. The wise old cabbage proclaims, "Eating purple vegetables is crucial for maintaining a healthy brain." The children gaze in amazement, absorbing the cabbage's profound lesson. Bathed in golden sunlight, an endless cornfield stretches to the horizon, its stalks whispering secrets to the wind. Children gather, their laughter echoing through the rows as they harvest the sun-kissed corn. They learn of the corn's vibrant energy, its power to fuel their dreams and adventures. Their voices rise in a joyful chorus, singing of sunshine and corn, a hymn to nature's bounty. Sunlight drenches endless rows of vibrant green pea plants, their pods plump with promise. Children with woven baskets eagerly gather, their small fingers snapping pods with practiced ease. Tiny peas, a hidden treasure, promise strong muscles with each harvest. Giggles erupt as they invent a game. Find the pea. Each pod holds a secret, carefully revealed by curious hands. The field echoes with laughter, a symphony of joy amidst the green. Bathed in golden sunlight, an orange pumpkin patch stretches as far as the eye can see, a vibrant tableau of autumnal joy. Children wander through the rows, their faces glowing with excitement as they search for the perfect pumpkin. Gathered around a table, they listen intently as a teacher reveals the vitamin secrets hidden within the gourds. Tiny hands transform mini pumpkins into grinning faces, a symphony of creativity and laughter filling the air. Children, their arms laden with colorful vegetables, congregate near the garden's entrance. Miss Cruz delicately sprinkles fairy dust, casting a shimmering spell over the vibrant scene. The garden begins to fade, its lush colors softening as magic takes hold. A poignant farewell hangs in the air as the enchanted space prepares to vanish. Back in the daycare, the children clutch their imaginary baskets. An ethereal light bathes the snack plate, transforming ordinary vegetables into something magical. The vegetables glow softly, casting the room in an otherworldly hue. Tiny hands grip tightly, holding on to the remnants of their shared adventure. Sunlight streams into the daycare, where joy abounds as children gather for snack time, their laughter echoing. Leo, a bright-eyed boy, his grin wide with missing teeth, reaches eagerly for a vibrant green piece of broccoli. His small hands grasp the vegetable, a look of pure joy on his face as he brings it closer. "Broccoli Bob is my friend," Leo exclaims, his voice filled with innocent delight.